On behalf of Expert Village, my name is Andrea Spano, and I'm going to show you how to make crab cakes from my new book, Not Just Desserts. And I'm going to add in the horseradish. You can use any kind of horseradish you want. You can use the one that's prepared and has a little bit of mayonnaise in it. That's perfectly acceptable. You can use one that says hot if you want. I added about 2 teaspoons of horseradish. That really gives it a nice bite. And I want you to notice the color, the nice pink-orange color. Alright. Now, it's very important that you get a high heat on the sauce so that it boils a lot, because this is going to help reduce it to the consistency that's going to pour on top of the crab cakes so that it's not loose. You want this actually to form on top of it, drowning the plate.